Whoa.
Yeah,
That was a little.
Come on, everybody. Everybody, throw at him. Everybody, throw at him. There's three behind me. I know.
Let him get it. You got the female. Ooh.
He's going.
You're gonna get him right now. You got him. Yes! Good job, Lance. Take it easy on him. Don't lose him.
I'm not gonna lose this one.
Yeah, just let him take off. Both of you, dual hookup. Yeah. Look at that beautiful peacock bass.
Go ahead, Andy, go ahead. I got you. I'm bringing it through.
Loosen your drag just a tiny little bit.
It's loose.
Okay.
I just want to get him away.
Oh, look at that big hump, man. Yes! Listen to that reel. Look at that big hump, man. That's all. They're both right here. There's three. Babe, get your rod. There's three. Don't lose them, guys. There's three.
Right there, just in front.
There's three fish. Three. All three of them hook up with a fish. All three of them hooked up to a peacock bass. This is amazing. Lance reel is screaming. George over there fighting another one. Oh no, Lance!
You motherfucker.
No!
It's okay.
Man!
Oh, there's another one behind her.
Go.
There's another one right behind
Go
her.
get another shiner. Babe, don't let him get to the rocks. Yours is done. Bring him out here. Bring him over. Whoa.
There, get him right there, Carlos. Land it. Yeah, baby.
Got him.
Oh, that's a huge one.
Here you go.
There's three.
Awesome.
Give me a picture,
Come
Carlos.
on, babe.
Sorry.
Hold on.
Hey,
Just
guys,
hold them in the
I
water.
want a picture. I want to catch another one. So here you go. That's my fish.
There I go. Come on. Oh my goodness. Go. Cast out again, man.
No, he didn't.
Cast out again.
Okay, there's one else in here. I don't see any more fish. Oh, there's one there.
There's one. Just hold it in the water.
That's fucking hilarious. That's awesome, guys.
That was awesome.
That was a good time.
Nice.
There's another one.
Keep them in the water. Just keep your rod tight. Sorry, your line. Keep your line and your rod tip up.
I know, I just wanted it to go further.
All right, guys, let's go. Let's do another triple header. There he is. He's going, Lance. You're gonna get him 1, 2, 3. He's gonna eat it right now. He got it. Not yet. He missed. Oh man, he went right at you though.
Wait, you won't get it.
No, he's after this guy. He's gonna get you. There's two.
Oh, you missed him. Cast him out again, bro. You'll get him. Wait, just wait.
Right on the money.
Just don't lose him though. Dude, he's right underneath yours, man. He's right underneath your bobber. Oh, there he is.
Wait, he's already finished silent.
Okay, bring him out. Oh man, that's a good cast. Come on, bring her over here.
Yeah, he's coming. He's going over to you, Jorge.
Uh-oh. Damn, this one doesn't give up. Get her.
Fine. He's barely
That was fun.
You could get it, like hold it from her mouth and yeah, like that. There you go. Harder. Give it like a little jerk.
Oh, look. I'm bleeding already.
Here. Grab it so it won't come off when open his mouth like.
That's brutal. He's gonna hit it though. He's gonna hit it.
Oh, there you go.
Got it. Ready, one.
Set that hook, set that hook.
Good job.
Oh my God.
There goes the other one. What happened, man?
Nothing.
He came off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there you go.
There he goes. Oh, he's right underneath you, man. Come on. Come on.
Not interested, he's just looking at it.
You gotta throw it without the bobber. That way it sinks to where he is.
He's floating away. I can see him over
Yeah,
there.
yeah. You guys are on fire.
You learn through fishing, man.
I already caught mine. I'm fine. I'm letting her fish.
Oh, that's fine. Sorry.
Yeah.
Where the fuck is my where am I guy going?
Cast out again, bro. You gotta have. You had that guy right there.
All right, I'll go a little bit deeper.
Yes, do that. Do we still have shiners? We have like 4 shiners left, so you guys gotta make the best out of these.
I got worms. I can always. I mean, I'm talking. I can do artificial, you know.
We'll see.
Yeah, it's just get right about there.
Yeah, but here the ones that are spawning hit lures. That's the good thing about this bait.
Nothing? We'll be back when more action comes along.
You got me. You recorded me when I did the hookup.
Yep.